Today we're making spicy soy sauce chicken stir fry or ayam masak kicap pedas. This is my mom's recipe and it's one of my favorite dishes ever to have over rice. This is really easy to make and quick and has a few added ingredients to make it extra special from all the other recipes out there. So yeah, let's go. I'm just going to cut to the chase. The special ingredients are these spices. I have a cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, a couple of star anise, and some cardamom pods. Alright, next you're going to need some blended dried chili paste, about 2 tablespoons of this, more if you like it spicier. This is my concoction, the recipe is somewhere here or linked down below. Next I have about 300 grams of chicken here. I'm going to be marinating this first with 1 teaspoon of salt, as well as a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Basically, we're going to pan fry the chicken first. You can skip this step if you want a healthier version. Turmeric not only adds flavor, but frying it first is going to help get a nice solid layer around the chicken. You don't have to cook it for long, just until you get a sear on the chicken on all sides. Take the chicken off the oil. We're just going to be using the same pan because efficiency, but we are going to remove some of the oil just until you have this much oil. Over low heat, add in all of the spices. I want to say this is optional. If you don't have this, you can definitely make this dish, but I mean, it really levels up this dish. Even if you don't have all of these spices on hand, just adding any one of these spices, like 1 cinnamon stick, it will definitely help this dish, okay? Fry it until it smells good. And then add in the dried chili paste and stir all of that together. Fry that together until the chili paste cooks or until the oil breaks. The chicken goes in next. I'm adding in some yellow bell peppers here. This is optional. I just have this in the fridge. And then we are adding about 2 tablespoons of dark sweet soya sauce or kicap manis. Give that a stir fry and then add in the water. The amount of water you add depends on how much gravy you like, so I'm actually adding 2 cups of water. We are just going to be adding in salt as well as sugar to taste. And then basically we're just gonna let this simmer and cook. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken fully cooks basically. As a final touch, I'm adding this cut up sliced chili for no other reason other than I thought it would make the dish look pretty. Give the gravy a little taste test, and once you like it, then yeah, you got it. Turn off the heat and serve over rice and you're done.